want to learn how to make Valentine chips bags or any chip bag from scratch? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design it in Canva, print it, and turn it into an actual physical chip bags. By the way, my name is Jean Lee. I'm the content creator behind Jean Lee Handcrafts, the DIY Mama. So let's get started. First, open Canva. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from the Play Store. Once you're inside the Canva, click on Create New Design and search for A5. Choose A5 Landscape. After that, you'll see a blank A5 canvas. This will be the base of our chip bag design. Go to Elements and search for a Valentine background. You can customize everything based on your theme. For the front cover, I like adding a teddy bear and a heart shape in center to make it cute and eye-catching. For the back side, since this is chip bag, I like to add nutrition facts but customized. For example, you can create Write Love 100% or something fun and creative. You can also add a handmade with love label and some Valentine stickers or decorative elements. By the way, don't forget to include a personalized or customized message to make it extra special. I like designing it in a way that really looks like an actual chip bag. Once your design is finished, download it as a PDF for printing. For printing, I'm using 115 GSM glossy photo paper, no back print. I prefer glossy photo paper so the chip bags looks more vibrant and high quality. Since our design is in A5 size, I print it on A4 paper and set it to 2 pages per sheet. That way, we can maximize the paper and print 2 chip bag layouts on one sheet. Once printed, cut the paper in half to separate the design. After cutting, I use thin double-sided tape and I'll put the link on the comment section. Apply the double-sided tape like this, 1 strip on this side and 2 strips in the middle, 1 on the top and 1 at the bottom. Once the tape is in place, peel the sides and stick them together to form the bag shape. After sealing the side, rotate it so the design is centered properly. Next, apply another strip of double-sided tape at the bottom to close it, but don't close the top yet. We still need to put something inside. And to make it more like a real chip bag, I use paper crimper tool. I also put the link in the comment section. Crimp both the top and the bottom edges. This gives it that authentic chip bag texture. Once that's done, your bag is ready. Now, you can put chocolates or any small gift inside. To close it, peel off the double-sided tape on the top and seal it. For the final touch, I use zigzag scissors on the sides to make it look even more like a real chip bags. And that's it, super easy. We just made a Valentine chip bags from scratch, from editing to production. If you like the videos like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you.